Okay, let's talk about Scent Booster a little bit more because people are kind of confused exactly how the Scent Booster is actually used. And people are kind of like worried, okay, how are you going to actually use this particular product? And what we actually do is you only have to use about 1 to 5% of the Scent Booster in your product. That means basically if you're making creams, lotion, or whatever you're making, and you're putting a certain amount of fragrance in it, like I'm assuming maybe 1 to 5%, depends what you're trying to put in your what kind of fragrance and whatever your regulations you're supposed to follow, but you're supposed to put in 1 to 5% in your fragrance. So if you're making a fragrance that's you're putting, let's say if you're putting 100 ml of fragrance in your product, that means you're going to put 1 ml to 5 ml of the scent booster in your fragrance, and then you're going to mix the whole formula and you're going to put that into your product, and that's how you use scent booster.